welcome to another edition of Poor Man's Black Rifle Review. Today we have Battle of the Lower Parts kits with 5 companies. And they are Modern Armory, Turner Armament, CMMG, Anderson Manufacturing, AR-15 Extreme, with an entry of a nitride LPK and a stainless steel LPK. I judge these LPKs upon 5 distinct areas that I find most important in an LPK. One of those is being the trigger groups, and then your coating, your attention to detail, your packaging, and your organization. And then I base that up on a scale from 1 to 10 in each category. Modern Armory and Turner Armament were neck and neck, and they were so close in choosing that I used my teenagers to be the tiebreaker, and it came down to the coating on their safety selector, and Turner Armament came out on top with just a better coating on that. So I think we were within 1 point of each other on that one. Anderson Manufacturing would have pulled off a close winner too had they had a polished trigger group. It's just completely coated, and to make a smooth trigger, the way I like a trigger, not everybody else, but the way I like a trigger, it's going to take some break-in time, or polish it yourself. And then AR-15 Extreme Stainless would have won the whole thing had they enclosed a stainless steel trigger group and a stainless steel safety selector. Neither one of those were in their LPKs, so therefore they got docked for that. Furthermore, their nitride coated LPKs for AR-15 Extreme had imperfections in the polishing of the trigger, making the horizontal plane uneven, therefore probably going to cause some catch issues. CMMG came out on top with a perfect score of 50. It was immaculate, and the color coding of the parts were excellent, and I will show you those. Their color coding, as you can see, and then the back matches up and lets you know which each of the parts are within the color-coded bag. This is perfect for amateurs, people starting out to do their own builds. I really is impressed with it. I'm very impressed with their coating. They came out on top on the whole thing. Even the polishing of the trigger group was by far the best. CMMG is the winner, with special mentions to Turner Armament and Modern Armory, who were close in this battle of the lower parts kits. Congrats to CMMG, and thank you for tuning in, and God bless.